Hello everyone, I welcome you all to our channel Sun Concluding Exams. So today we are going to cover the current affairs of 12th of November. So let's start. So here is first question. Who among the following has won the 2020 presidential election of the United States? So I think ये बहुत ही ज़्यादा popular question है. So it is easy for you that the answer is Joe Biden. That is D. Come to the next. The Atal Innovation Mission has collaborated with which country to launch AIM Serious Innovation Program 3.0? It is very important for your exams, both exams, or if you are preparing for defense or any kind of exams. So here is the options: United States, Russia, France, Japan, Germany, and the right answer is Russia. So we are going to, Atal Innovation Mission has collaborated with the Russia to launch AIM Serious Innovation Program, that is 3.0. So be aware of that, and this is very important question. Come to next. So when is International Day of Radiology observed? That is IDOR. So मैं कई बार ये बार पूछता हूँ इंटरनेशनल डे ऑफ रेडियोलॉजी क्या है या फिर इंटरनेशनल यूथ डे क्या है. सो विच इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट इफ यू आर प्रिपेयरिंग फॉर something like defense exams or SSC exams. Okay, so if you talk about the options are that is 5, 7, 6, 8 or 9 November. So which is the correct answer? The correct answer is 8 November. Okay, so International Day of Radiology is observed on every year on 8th of November. Okay, come to next. India's first solar-based integrated multi-village water supply project, that is IMVWSP, has been launched in which state? So the options are Arunachal Pradesh, Haryana, West Bengal, Karnataka, Kerala. So here is the correct answer is Arunachal Pradesh. Okay, that's it. Good. Let me know the capital of the Arunachal Pradesh in the comment box. Okay. Okay. Continue that. Okay, so here is our channel Mission Concluding Exams. If you want more videos, you can subscribe our channel. And if you like this video, what I am presenting to you right now, so you can like this video. And if you want the PDF of our videos, so you can get it from our Telegram channel. That you can get it from our description box. That is video I am presenting right now to you. Okay. Okay, so here's shift question. Which state has launched the eco-sustainable program परिवर्तनम for the fishing community? It is very important guys क्योंकि fishing community के लिए बोला जा रहा है. It means कि कुछ एक normal people के लिए कुछ schemes लाई जा रही है. तो eco sustainable program की बात की जा रही है and right now we are approaching towards a economical something like eco sustainable programs. We are relaunching like that something. So you need to more concern about that kind of questions. So if we go to that options, West Bengal, Gujarat, Kerala, Assam, Tripura, so our correct answer is Kerala. So you know that ki Kerala is very fast in implementing this kind of things. So you need to remember that कि किस स्टेट ने लॉन्च किया है इको सस्टेनेबल प्रोग्राम परिवर्तनम फॉर द फिशिंग कम्युनिटी, दैट इज केरला. Okay, so another question on some day. World Town Planning Day. World Town Planning Day, that is World Urbanism Day, is held every year on. So it is held on 8th of November every year. Okay, so remember रखना World Town Planning Day, but it is not very important. But you can remember that thing क्योंकि थोड़ी basic knowledge भी होनी चाहिए आपके पास. Come to next question. The Best of India Short Film Festival 2020 has been won by Vidya Balan starrer Nutcut and thus become eligible for the Oscar nomination in 2020, who is the director of the film. So, guys, it is very short film of India, and it has been eligible for the Oscar nomination 2020. So, you need to remember that thing कि इसका director कौन है इस film का. So, if I tell you about that, कि who is the director of this film, that is Shan Vyas. Shan Vyas is the director of this film, that is Nutcut, and the starrer is Vidya Balan. So, ये भी remember रखना, ठीक है. Now, come to the next question. Government has made FASTags mandatory for all the vehicles, including the old ones sold before December 2017 with effect from, and the correct answer is the 1st January 2021. तो डेट अब एक्सटेंड हो चुकी है. So government has extended the date. ठीक है. So that is 1 January 2021. Now it will become effect after the 1st January 2021. Now come to ninth question. Center has renamed the Ministry of Shipping. What is the new name? तो मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ शिपिंग का नया नेम चेंज हो चुका है. तो यू नीड टू टेल मी दैट की विच नेम इज दैट. सो इफ क्वेश्चन में आता है तो यू नीड टू रिमेंबर दैट द करेक्ट आंसर ऑफ दिस क्वेश्चन इज मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ पोर्ट्स शिपिंग एंड वाटरवेज. ठीक है, इसका नाम चेंज कर दिया गया मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ शिपिंग का टू द मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ पोर्ट्स शिपिंग एंड वाटरवेज. कम टू द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. What is the National Legal Services Day observed in India? तो नेशनल लीगल सर्विसेज डे जो ऑब्जर्व हुआ है इंडिया में, वो कब होता है? सो द करेक्ट आंसर इज दैट इज 9th ऑफ नवंबर। ठीक है, नेशनल लीगल सर्विसेज डे ऑब्जर्व होता है हमारा हमेशा 9th ऑफ नवंबर। नाउ कम टू द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, that is who among the following has been appointed as a new patron of Marylebone Cricket Club, that is MCC Foundation. Okay, so who is that person? So the correct answer for this question is Michael Holding. Michael Holding is the person who is appointed as a new patron of Marylebone Cricket Club, that is MCC Foundation. ये काफ़ी इंपॉर्टेंट रहता है क्योंकि हर इंटरनेशनल जहाँ पर क्रिकेट जहाँ होता है ऑर्गेनाइज, तो वो इस तरह की कुछ चीज़ों के बारे में ज़्यादा देखते हैं। Now come to the next question. Which of the following national park has become the first in the eight state northeast to provide insurance cover against COVID-19 for green soldiers? So ऐसा कौन सा नेशनल पार्क है जो पहला नॉर्थ ईस्ट में जो 8 स्टेट है उनमें से कौन सा ऐसा है जो इंश्योरेंस प्रोवाइड कर रहा है कवर अगेंस्ट कोविड-19 फॉर ग्रीन सोल्जर्स? तो द करेक्ट आंसर इज पक्के टाइगर रिजर्व। सो करेक्ट आंसर आपको पता लग गया। लेट मी नो दैट वेयर इज दैट पक्के टाइगर रिजर्व। ओके, सॉरी इफ आई एम प्रोनाउंसिंग इट रॉन्ग। ठीक है, यू कैन टेल इट पक्के और पेके टाइगर रिजर्व। कम टू नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, हु अमंग द फ्लोइंग हैज वोन द पेरिस मास्टर 2020 टेनिस टाइटल? तो किसने पेरिस मास्टर 2020 टेनिस टाइटल को वोन किया है? तो दैट द करेक्ट आंसर इज डैनियल मेडवेडेव। ओके, तो डैनियल मेडवेडेव जो है उन्होंने पेरिस मास्टर 2020 टेनिस टाइटल को वोन जीत लिया है। तो रिमेंबर दैट, क्योंकि इस तरह के क्वेश्चन भी कई बार पूछे जाते हैं कि ये और टेनिस टाइटल कितने जीता है, ये अमेरिकन कप कितने जीता है, तो यू नीड टू रिमेंबर दैट थिंग आल्सो। Continue to next question. Indian diplomat dash has been elected to UN's Advisory Committee on Administrative and Budgetary Questions, that is ACABQ. तो वो कौन सा इंडियन डिप्लोमेट है जो इलेक्ट हुआ है अभी अभी टू द यूएन एडवाइजरी कमिटी? वो किस पे है? एडमिनिस्ट्रेटिव एंड बजटरी क्वेश्चंस पे। ओके, सो द करेक्ट आंसर इज दैट इज विदिशा मेत्रा। तो विदिशा मेत्रा जो है इज हैज बीन अपॉइंटेड टू, sorry, appointed not elected to the UN's advisory committee on administrative and budgetary question on behalf of India. ठीक है, let's come to the last question but not the least. Name the author who has penned a novel named Rasathi, the other side of a transgender. जो ट्रांसजेंडर का जो अदर साइड है उसके ऊपर एक नोवेल उन्होंने बनाई है, तो वो कौन है? तो द करेक्ट आंसर इज सशिंद्रन कलिंकिल। तो गाइस ये नाम थोड़ा सा याद रखना, दैट इज आल्सो वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, सशिंद्रन कलिंकिन, क्योंकि उन्होंने कुछ अदर साइड ऑफ ए ट्रांसजेंडर की बात की गई है। तो इस तरह के कुछ क्वेश्चंस कुछ बुक्स के ऊपर या कुछ नॉवेल्स के ऊपर ऐसे क्वेश्चंस आते हैं, जनरली आते हैं, एक क्वेश्चन तो आता ही है। ठीक है, तो याद रखना। एंड दैट्स ऑल फ्रॉम माय साइड। आई होप यू लाइक दिस वीडियो। इफ यू लाइक दिस वीडियो, please like this, and if you want to share with your friends or someone else who want to know something more about the current affairs, so you can share with them. And these are the solution what I will provide you in my PDF, so you can get it with the some more details also. So hope you you have a very good day, and you all very happy Diwali in advance.